Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix taskbar is not working in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. First, we see the all error and solve all this error in a single step. Error is my start bar is not working, my shortcuts are not working, right click, left click is not working on the taskbar, not working anything on the taskbar. Also on the desktop, right click, left click is not working. Some cases our folder is not opening, this PC is not opening, and we are cover this all error in a single step. That is very easy and simple video. First of all, just go to your keyboard and just type Ctrl Alt Delete key on your keyboard. And here we find Task Manager. Just click on this Task Manager. Okay. In Task Manager, we just go to the process. Just go to the process. It is like this. And just go to the more details and just go to the process. In process, just find Windows Explorer. Just find Windows Explorer. This is a folder, like a folder. Just find Windows Explorer. Okay. Here is the Windows Explorer. Right click on the Windows Explorer. Here we find many things. Just go to the restart. Restart it. After restarting our Windows Explorer, our taskbar is now working. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix taskbar is not working in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.